So right now I'm going to be making a sea breeze. So first I'm going to start off with my shot of Tito's. And then I'm going to go in with cranberry juice. There's two different kinds. There's a sea breeze and a bay breeze. They both have cranberry juice in it. So I'm going to pour it up about that much. And then the difference between a sea breeze and a bay breeze is pineapple juice. So a sea breeze has pineapple juice in it, and a bay breeze has grapefruit juice in it. So let's see if I can get this open. It's like indented in. Okay, got it. And now we're gonna top it off with the rest of pineapple juice. And then our lid and straw. Lid and straw. And there we go, we have our sea breeze. Cheers.